Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I created this picture in Canva so that you can create a before and after picture with the proper um, pixel size for your picture for a Facebook post. So I'm going to go to Canva, and in the free version of Canva, you'd have to create your custom dimensions before, as when you click Create Design and go into the designing screen, it won't allow you to, at that time, change the dimensions because that's the pro version. So always custom your dimensions first. And for Facebook posts, 1280 by 1280 is a good picture size to use. If you are doing a story post, the pixel size would be 1080 by 1920. That will take up the entire space. So if you're going to be adding text to the picture, then I would use that size. If you wanted to add additional comments on the post itself, you would need to adjust the size. So then depending on how much text will depend on the picture size that you put, because you don't want it to overlap onto the picture, because then it will cover the picture, and the comments that you write might actually not be very visible as well. So then a story post, if you're going to have additional comments, it should be 1080 by either 1350 or 1080 by 1280. So that would be something that you'll have to test. So anyway, so once you have the dimensions, you can even do on a Facebook post 1280 by 1350, but I wouldn't go any higher than that. So it could be 1280 by 1280, 1280 by 1350. It would be your discretion as to how high you would like the picture to be. So now we're in the designing screen. I have to click upload, and yes, I do have them here, but I want to get the original size so that I can show you how to size it there. So these are the two original pictures without resizing already, and this is the before. So that's how you can size it. See, it's 640 because I'm doing a 1280 by 1280. So I want the picture to be 640 by 1280. It's not quite centered, so I will actually move it a little bit so that it is, because you want it to be there. That's better. And I could actually maybe bring that down and see if I can. There, that's better actually, because it's more close up too. And then this was the other one. So then you would bring it over and then stretch it down. You might want to there. So then there are the two pictures. So then in order to get the similar look, then you would, because I did this in a different program, but not everybody has access to Paint 3D, because if you don't have a PC computer, then I don't know what the equivalent is on a Mac system, so I'm just showing you on Canva because everybody has access to that. If you haven't used this before, you wouldn't have any recently used, so then you would have to go to Shapes, and this is the one. So all you need to do is shape it to the size dimensions that you want, bring it down as low as you want. Then you can change the color to whatever color you want. I don't like red, but I do like this color. It's softer. And then I add text, so then you would click on text, and you would then select the box and shape it and everything. You can change the font size and everything, so it will adjust accordingly. And I'm just getting the picture that I had. Okay, so then you just move the box, and my font I want white just to make sure, and you would change the text size to being something that will actually fit, and then type in the day, like when your picture, when you took the picture. Oops, 2020. I think I want a larger font size than that, though. It doesn't seem very big. So that's centered to that picture. And then I would actually just create a copy of that. It would let you. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So then just add another box, size it again, bring it onto the other side, put the same font number in, and then delete the information in there, and then type the new information that you have, and then resize the box so that it fits appropriately, and then move it so that it's centered to that picture. And then I did another box and I put it at the bottom, and I would make the font size the same, if not maybe a tad bit more, so it stands out. And you select the information, and you can change the font to whatever you want. This is just for simplicity. So a 20-year issue being, being resolved. And then size it so that it fits. Make sure it's centered between the two. I would make it bigger. See if it still fits. Yep. Okay. And then just resize it. Okay. And then recentered. And it always show you when it's centered. Okay. I'm going to bring it up a tad bit. Yeah, there. And I also added little arrows. So you, again, go back to elements, and then you would go to lines to get that. And I used, you can use anything, but I used this one because I thought it was neat. And see how it's white, and then it has a color gray. So I changed my color to match my other color. So when it's in there, it matches. So then you would just, do that and turn it, and then drag it over to where it needs to go. It needs to be smaller, so you shrink it until it fits, kind of thing. You might want to move this stuff down then so that you can actually fit it better. You just have to play around with it. It's not a big deal. And then, oh, duplicate. There. Ah, found it. Sorry. I couldn't remember how I did it. So then again, go in the center. Make sure that's centered to your picture. And voila. There you go. That's how you create a picture of a before and after on the same post, and then putting the information in it. And it's very easy to do. So I hope that helped. And all you would do then is click publish. You download it. You click download, and then you'll save it, and then you can reuse it. I'm not going to do that because I've already created this picture, but that's how you do it. All right, so I hope that helps, and reach out if you need any help. Okay.